I think I just stepped on a landmine.
It's a CR-38.
Spike.
Shut up. I'm getting you out of here. We're all going home today.
What if we get a shield out there?
It's not gonna do any good. CR-38 is anti-tank.
Status report. Spike.
You glued it. I can't even touch it. Okay. I know there's a way. There's always a way.
Of course there is. Dad, Mom there? I just want to say I love you guys. Everything's good. I'm just, tell her I called.
He said we need a shield. We need water, okay? We're gonna do a weight transfer.
Spike,
Yeah, buddy.
it's gonna be okay.